Good day, everyone, and welcome to my channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. My name is Olodukonyedi, and I'm your host. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel, and those who are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe hit that subscribe button, and we really appreciate that. And also those who have been sending comments to us, we really appreciate that. Please keep your comments coming, and we'll be talking about some of the comments we received. This past month has really been hectic for us. We've been doing a lot of things, and so we are back, and we'll be taking more of your questions this period. We have one of the subscriber, Oluwaseun Oguntatuga. You said, do you have OSDA tutorial on Prota? Oluwaseun, I really don't understand what you are trying to say. Please, you can tell us what you really mean by that by sending another comment, and also tell us where you are commenting from so we can answer you. But if I assume what you are asking is, do you have another tutorial on Prota? If I'm right, yes, we have a lot. We have over I think close to 100 videos. So check the videos from our channel. We have a lot, and we've talked a lot on different parts of Prota. But if that's not what you are asking, please send another comment so that we'll know what you are truly saying. Kelvin Duafa, you said, thanks sir, how can I get into contact with you, please? My contact is, you can contact me by using Abalon Engineering Limited at gmail.com. So this is the way. Once you send me an email, I will respond to you immediately. So just if I've not responded, please bear with us. We have a lot of emails that we are trying to treat and other things, but definitely we'll get across to you. For your one-on-one training and corporate training, please send an email to this address and we'll respond to you. Thank you. David Magbambo. David, you didn't tell us where you are commenting from. Please let us know where you are commenting from. You said how to design when flaws are not typical. How do you design when the flaws are not typical? The first thing you need to do is let's assume we are working on this floor. This is the floor we are working with, but subsequent floors, if we look at the subsequent floors, they are not typical. The subsequent floors are not typical. So what do you do? Let's assume the floors are not typical. So what you do is, first of all, insert the number of stories. Let's assume we have three stories. Okay, we say yes. Presently you have this, and you know this and this other floor. Let's assume this is the floor, is not typical. So the first thing you need to do is to get your axis line. Get all your axis line. So on the next floor, generate. Okay, yes, okay, go generate generate your story. We are generating it here, so we are taking out our slabs. We could take out our slab, we could take out our wall and leave our columns. So with this, let's assume this is the column. So it all depends on what you want to do, and let's assume this column is not there. Let's assume this column is no longer there. This column not there. So look at the architectural drawing that you have, whatever you have as the architectural drawing, and you've created your beams, your column and your slab position. Still follow that pattern. Same thing, get your beam. After your column, the next thing you need to get is your beams. Same procedure, but follow what you've done, as in what's the floor that is not typical. Follow the same the floor. Now you can't generate it automatically. You have to do each of the floor manually, since they are not typical. So you can't easily just run your generate floors as the same. So this is what you do. Follow it the way it is. Since let's assume it's not typical, whatever it is, if it's not typical, follow that same procedure, where instead of you just generating it, let's assume this is it. It's an assumption, but whatever it is, if the next floor is not typical, you just need to get your grid lines, generate your columns, then start introducing your beams and your slab and whatever you have to introduce. So with that, you can design any of your floor slab. David, I hope this answers your question, but if not, please let us know in the comments section. Let us know. So your floor, let's assume you have 3 floors that are not typical. You create, if you check our other videos, we've done how to import from AutoCAD, but in terms of where the floors are not typical, you can only import the first floor. You can't import the other floor. You import your first floor, and from your first floor generate the columns, the slab, the beams, and you keep generating the grid lines on other floors. Introduce the columns first before the beam, before your slab. So whatever it is, follow the pattern of your architectural drawing on that floor. So you do it manually. You can't just export, or you can't just generate automatically. So that's what you will do. I hope this answers your question, but if not, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you are here to subscribe to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and when we come again with more videos, you will be the first to be notified. So once again, remain blessed and thanks.